Hello, hello. Okay, today we work about interesting jobs. I need that you write the date, the topic, interesting job, performance, describing jobs, paid for it. Okay, open your book, please, page 40, unit 7. Okay, we'll start with 3 jobs, interesting jobs. Moveigor, game designers, and ice cream creator. Okay, we start with Moveigor. Okay, look. We start with this. In your page 40, you play point A, number 1. Okay? I give you the vocabulary. It's a professional moviegoer. Yes. Look, it's the person who watched the movie. Watch movie, okay? Okay, say, is a professional moviegoer. Today, he is watching a zombie movie. The zombie movie for you. I have the zombie movie like this, and open that. Open. He's watching a zombie movie. Look at that. Okay, my student, no more. Okay, and the person watch the movie, and they need a notebook, pen, and flashlight. Okay, they need what the person needs for this job: notebook, pen, a flashlight. Okay, you know notebook, pen, flashlight, and linterna, okay? When the person finished to first watch the movie, then the things that they need or she need, and finally, he writes an article about the movie in the newspaper, okay? This is the idea for this job. Okay, continue with game designer. He's going to make a racing car game in the story of your notebook. Okay, look that. But I open. Excuse me. First, open that. Open, and you look. Car game racing. This is the job. I'm sorry, but this platform don't have sound. Load the car. The game. Okay, and now continue with the other job. The other job is, I don't know how to close that. It's difficult. Okay, don't worry. and they need a computer. For this job, they need a computer. And we have in the article in your book said that it's a fun job. It's very fun, but he sits at a computer all day and sometimes hurt his eyes. Hurt his eye when the person sits in front of the computer all day. Okay, this is the problem with this job. It's very good, but this is the problem that you hurt your eyes. And now continue with the other job is ice cream creator. Look that. Is the person that work with ice cream and different flavors, okay? Not only chocolate, no, different. This is the job of that. I'm sorry, okay, yes, I can do it. For example, said that she is going to make a peanut butter ice cream. Like that. Look, en tu libro dice esto. Like this. It's an example of going to make a peanut butter ice cream. Delicious. Like that. Mm. I love the ice cream. Look that. And cover. I'm going to the freeze. 6 hours and you have a delicious ice cream. Okay. And close that. What you need for this job? You need food science. You need to study, okay? Food science degree, creativity, and math. It's important. Mathematics. Okay, today we work page 4. And we work, listen, identify 3 interesting jobs. The job, the moviegoer, game designer, and ice cream creator. This job, this is an example that the people do, okay? Watching a zombie movie, he's going to make a racing car game and, and, and delicious ice cream. What the people need for this activity, for this job, they need a notebook, pen, and flash line. They need or she need a computer, and for ice cream, you need a food science degree, creativity, and math. And then, when the people finish to watch the movie, write an article in the newspaper, and this is a good job, but sometimes hurts his eyes when you sit down in front of the computer, and you need a creativity for this. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. I need that you take the notes that you have, and if you can't, you can read page 40 and try to understand all the paragraph. Okay? And in the next activity, in the next class, in the next lesson, we continue for one with the other three jobs. Okay, goodbye. See you.